friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can cut videos in Adobe Premiere Rush. I have opened Adobe Premiere and here I would like to create new video project. Click on new video project and here select the video to be edited. So here I would like to select from G cam stdcam and here I would like to select this folder and I would like to select this file. Select it and click on create and it's loading. Preparing media, just wait. Yes, it's loaded. Now this is the timeline of your video. Just move this pointer to the right side or left side, wherever you want to position it, just do it. If you like to get a cut in this position, then place it here and click on this scissor symbol and it will be cut. Yes, it is cut. And you can do more cut wherever you want. You can just place it and click on this cut symbol and it be cut. In this way you can create more cut. Suppose if you want to delete one of the part after cutting. If you want to delete one of the part, for example, if you don't want this part, just click it and click on delete button here and it will cut off. So in this way you can easily do cut and trim in your Adobe Premiere Rush editing. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.